Hello friends, you're welcome back to our video this morning on Chima Dedicated Video Channel. For those who want to join the BNB crowdfunding system, on BNB we just use BNB coin to do a crowdfunding. People are earning so huge. It's a very similar exercise, very simple. So I want to tell you the few steps you need to take, very short one, on how to be a part, so that a lot of people are asking. So I keep on repeatedly preparing videos, but I think this video will guide us now. The first thing you need to do, and you must follow these steps. You don't just do the other way around. You must follow step after step, like I'm going to show you now. The first thing you do, you must have a Safepal wallet on your mobile. And that Safepal wallet, now let me open my Safepal. This is my Safepal wallet. Just watch. I have a Safepal wallet. Pay attention. Okay, this is my Safepal wallet. Make sure in this Safepal wallet, if you check, you can see a list of coins here. Some list of coins here. Sometimes if you just open Safepal recently, you may not see lists of coins. You may see only one or two, but you know how to activate coins. Once you type, you can activate the coins. All of them will appear here. Make sure in all the ones you have that this BNB in bracket Opbnb there. Remember, we have BNB 20 and all that. All these are what we call chains. Are you getting it? You have BNB under BEP20, other B2, whatever, and the one of Opbnb. So the one we are looking at is the one of Opbnb, please. Because anything we are going to do with this BNB, we are using BNB of Opbnb chain to do it. So once you have this, you click on it. I click on it and I click on receive. Then copy this. Click on copy. You've copied this address. Go to wherever you have some money. Maybe it could be Binance. You have BNB you want to convert. If you don't have it, even if you are USD, you can convert anything to BNB. And make sure when you are sending it, it's under the chain. Because if you are, for instance, you want to send BNB from your Binance or Bygate or anywhere to Safepal, the system will still show you to choose a chain on that Binance. So when you want to choose a chain under that BNB, you choose Opbnb because that's the one that corresponds to what you're doing here. So once you send it here, you're going to see your money here. And now, when you start in this system, the minimum you can start with is $4 worth of BNB. I didn't say 4 BNB, but $4 worth, which could be anything 0. Or anything like that. Like I can see here now, it will still be in 0.0 whatever. Now, once you put it here, that is the first step. The second step is for you to look at this. You are seeing this app here, Thunder VPN. Look at it. I'm going to click on it. Click on it. So you need to install Thunder VPN on your phone. Please, like I said, follow this simple guide. Somebody say, why Thunder VPN? Now, let me tell you something. It may not be compulsory. If you are living in a country where your internet is very strong, then you may not need this. But some places to operate that system, BNB, the internet is always struggling. So sometimes you may even say, what? It's like this is not working. So, but with Thunder VPN, it helps to improve your internet. But I know of a friend, I think from Iran or so. When I registered him, he didn't use this, and he was opening it. So if you have a strong internet wherever you are, then there may not be need for it. But you can still do it. It's not a problem, except a situation where your country prohibits you using Thunder VPN. So that's it. Let's go now. So once you open the Thunder VPN, you're going to see this connect. Click on connect and let it be connected. So it's not connected. And you can see the logo or the icon up there. Now that is the second step. Now let's go to the third step. Now the third step is to click on the link I will drop on this video description. That's the link, the registration link. Like in this case, now I click on this link. Just watch. Just watch what we're going to have. When you click that link, ordinarily, what you are going to see, you are going to see where the system asks you to connect. And when you if you click on that connect, then the system will bring out all the wallets you have. Since you have a Safepal, you're going to see Safepal, maybe MetaMask, Trust Wallet, all those wallets, all those decentralized wallets. You're going to see all of them lined up. You simply click on this one of Safepal. When you click on the one of Safepal, the system will take you, because remember, you are linking Safepal with this BNB DApp. Now, when you click on Safepal, it is going to take you just anything like any error message, remove it. Don't allow any error message to confuse you. Remove any error message and continue. So immediately the system, just pay attention, be patient. The system will now roll out, and because the system wants to cut off the $4 registration fee from your Safepal. Remember, that's why I say you must fund that account before you start registration. Because if there's nothing to cut off, you are not registering anything. So as the system does it, the system will give you a prompt that a third party wants to whatever, you agree to it. Then after that, you're eventually going to land yourself on your, that's where you're going to see an interface like this, where everything about how this program works will roll out. You're going to see the earning system, everything how it's going to be. If you follow exactly what I'm doing, why you seeing this one is because I just opened it. I've already opened this morning, and the thing is asking me to log out. I need to and all that. But let's see how it works. Now, when you arrive here, you'll see that at that moment you'll be able to see your dashboard this way. It will be very, very clear. Now, I'm at the influencer level, that's level 2. This influencer level is level 2. What you are seeing here now is level 3. You see how much level 3 will cost me? 0.01 BNB. 13. Are you getting it? So if I want to go to this level 3 now, I must have this amount. If you check what I have here now, my balance 0.0018. So you cannot go this. I can see putting more money or whatever. But why you see this, and I've made some withdrawals already. Yes, I've made some withdrawals. That's why you see have this one remaining. So if I want to go to level 3, and why do we increase levels? Now let me show you why we increase levels. If as I am now, because I have some people who are already, okay, some of my team members are already on that level 2 only. But if any of them goes to level 3, and I'm still at level 2, immediately go to level 3, I can't earn the upgrade bonus. I cannot earn their direct commission. I will not earn it because they are higher than me. I can only earn from those that are the same level or below me, even though they are my team members. If I grow so much and maybe have down line so much down there, it doesn't matter where that down line is, even if they are the top bottom and they go beyond me in levels, whatever they do, I will not earn from them, even though they are my downlines. So that's why we upgrade. You don't be greedy. Maybe as you are making money, you are just packing for yourself and you withdraw in all of them. You keep for upgrade. You understand? So that's how the system works. You could see that there are so many ways. This is where you get your referral link, where you have BNB website. Say tap to copy. If you share this thing, anybody that clicks on it automatically can register through you. Now, total deposit, total bonus, referral, direct team, community size. You see direct bonus. They pay direct bonus, they pay referral bonus. If you get somebody under you now, you have it's a 2 by 2 force matrix. You can only have 2 left and right. That's why we have spillovers. If your planner recruit more than 2, it spills over to you. But if that spillover must come to you, must be at least on level 2 for you to receive spillovers. Now, have direct bonus, referral bonus, upgrade bonus. That's what I just mentioned. Level bonus, you see this royalty bonus, reward bonus. You see a lot of ways the system pays you. When you see total loss bonus, what does it mean? Like just like what I just explained. If there are people I'm supposed to gain from, but something happened because I'm at a lower level, I miss them, the system will tell me bonuses I've lost. And that should make me to wake up. I will not check my team. Say, somebody has even gone to level 2, because anything happening, I will see them. I will see it from my team. If I click on my team here, I will see everything in my community. You understand? People who are registering and their levels, I'll be able to see it. So that will make me why not upgrade so that you can benefit from this? And that's exactly how the system works. So very seamless. If you are going through this video and you get a part where you are choked up and all that, please contact me immediately on WhatsApp. Let's engage. Let me watch what you're doing and guide you straight ahead. It's a very seamless, sweet one. Nobody's taking your money, and it's there. You have been there. It's so sustainable and it's so built in a way whereby the only problem people have is, how do I bring 2 persons? It's not difficult to bring 2 persons. Like I said, there are spillover system because you expect to put only 2 persons left and right. Not that the man that brings the person will not still earn. When you hear direct bonus, like you have a referral bonus and direct bonus here, whoever that refers still earn the bonus. But the direct bonus goes to you. Let for instance now, as I am now, I have 2 people on my 2 legs. You understand? and you're one of those people that have registered on as long as you're on level 2, then I recruit the third person. That third person will fall for you because you are the first person that registers under me. He falls for you and you earn direct bonus, but you are not going to earn referral bonus. I'm the one that referred through my link, so I'm going to earn the referral bonus. But at least you will earn direct bonus because it is not placed under your leg. Do you understand? But you can only gain spillovers if you are at least on level 2. You can't be on level 1 and get spillovers. It doesn't work. So if you are one who think you can recruit, once you register, you put enough money, maybe up to $8 in your Safepal, you register. You understand? For the first stage, the system cut off the $4 for your first level. Quickly, all you need to do, go to level 2 upgrade. To upgrade is just like I want to upgrade to this level 3, and all I need to do, I click on exactly this place, achiever. You see it, it say upgrade. Tell me the amount. I must have this amount in my account. Once I click on it now, the system programs it, everything is work. It cuts it off, and I'm already on that level 3. But because I don't have, even I go to do it now, to tell me insufficient. So exactly, you upgrade to level 2. So in that case, you are not prepared. And while you're waiting for spillover, don't just say I will not recruit anybody. It's still, again, you keep on recruiting if spillover comes. Because you that say you are finding it difficult to recruit, are you thinking that your upliner is a machine that recruits? So he's still making effort to recruit people because he needs the money, but you too be making effort to also recruit. So that's exactly how this symbol. I must have taken too much time explaining this video, which is not necessary, but I want to make it in a way where you can easily understand it. So if you still have a question, please directly tell me, engage me, live. Let's talk. Where you have problem, I say, okay, this is the next thing to do so that you can be part of this. It's a very nice project, very, very nice project. I want to stop this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.